Hi! In front of me is Realme Pad Mini, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to a printer. First of all, you need to open Devices Settings. Then click on Connected Devices and select Connection Preferences. Now click on Printing and tap on Default Print Service. Lastly, wait! Your device is now looking for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it right away. If you want to use different print service though, you need to disable this one by tapping on this switcher at the top. Then click on the back button, choose Add Service, and install the best one for you. In my case, HP one. When your new service is ready, click on the back button twice. Lastly, just click on your new service and wait again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!